Mind mapping, agitation for Telangana, Dhoomdham, Million March, Sansad Yatra, Garjana, Vantavarpu, Sakala Janula Samme, Sagaraharam, Chalo Assembly. Telangana achieved the status of a full-fledged state in the Union of India on 2nd June 2014 after a long struggle of Telangana people for the sake of water, funds and employment. In this chapter, we will read about this process. On the intention of the Union government, the leaders of both sides meet in Delhi and reached what was called Gentleman's Agreement on 20th February 1956. Andhra, Telangana, they basically agreed on 14 points. This paved the way for the merger of the two states, though conditional and subject to satisfaction of Telangana people. Thus, the new state of Andhra Pradesh with its capital in Hyderabad was formed. Over a period of time, disconnect over a non-implementation of the gentleman's agreement was building up in Telangana areas. There were three main causes for this discontent. One, diversion of surplus revenue from Telangana to other regions of the state. And two, discrimination in employment in government sector. And three, granting of domicile status of coastal Andhra persons working in Telangana region in violation of the Mulki rules. The Telangana Rashtra Samiti leader K. Chandrasekhar Rao fast became a massive people's movement. He was fasting for about 10 days between 29th November and 9 December 2009. This galvanized the people and the movement received a new thrust and meaning. The most important event in this context was announcement by the Students JAC of Assembly Muttadi attack an assembly on 10th December 2009. The student poured into Hyderabad city from different universities and colleges, sitting in friends and relatives' houses around assembly in order to participate in the assembly Muttadi. The above conditions spreading the movement among the communities at grassroots K. Chandrasekhar fast and the proposed assembly Muttadi eventually persuaded the central government to announce the formation of Telangana. The announcement was withdrawn on 23rd December 2009 due to the pressure from Andhra political leaders, and a commission headed by Justice Sri Krishna was formed to inquire into the development in Andhra Pradesh and report to the center. The Telangana people were shocked. Let us see some possible reasons for the withdrawal of the announcement. In order to unite the people, all parties and organizations came together to form Telangana Joint Action Committee. Under its leadership, agitation was launched, non-cooperation movement, Million March, Sakala Janula Samme, a 42 days general strike, a Sagaraharam human chain around Hussain Sagar Lake in Hyderabad, Sansad Yatra, march to the parliament, and Chelo Assembly. Meanwhile, Telangana movement was getting expressed in different protest forms like Dhoomdhams, its public song and dance programs in Garjanas, massive public meeting in proclaim the demands, and Padayatras marches. The traditional Bonalu offering to deities drawing Rangoli was also invoked to express the popular Telangana demand. The Telangana Services Caste expressed Telangana movement in protest, saving protests, washing clothes of their customers on street, and collective cooking Vanta Varpu in public places. There was a lot of pressure to take a decision at national level. Telangana thus became a national issue. The Congress Core Committee heard the presentation from Andhra side and Telangana side. Finally, took a decision of favor of bifurcation. Accordingly, the bill was passed on 18th February in Lok Sabha and 20th February in Rajya Sabha, and President signed on 1st March of 2014. Parliament bifurcated the state of Andhra Pradesh with June 2nd, 2014 as the appointed day. In the parliament, the bill was supported by BJP, BSP, CPI, and other opposition parties. The people celebrated this. In the democratic process, decision may be taken late, but persistence of people's fight in democratic forms convinced the country that demerged Telangana from Andhra Pradesh.